Hi everyone, and welcome back to Rems. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the in, between, and like SQL operators. These are very important operators that you will need to know if you want to be able to write effective SQL queries. To illustrate their usage, I'll be working with a sample database containing customer information and employee information. I've included a downloadable link in the description. Go download it and let's get started. The in operator allows us to match a value against a list of multiple values. In our database, let's say we want to find customers with specific countries. There are two different ways we can accomplish this. Let's say to find customers from Germany, France, and Sweden, we can use this first approach and write the query like this. Select all from customers table where country equals Germany or country equals France or country equals Sweden. When we execute this query, we will get all customers from either Germany or France or Sweden. Secondly, we can use the in operator to accomplish this. Let's see. So in the where clause here, we delete this, then where country in open parentheses, they will put the values we are matching against. That is Germany, France, Sweden, close parentheses. This query will also retrieve all the rows from the customers table where the country column value is either Germany, France, or Sweden. The in operator makes it easy to filter results based on multiple values at once. And you realize that with the in operator, our code is simpler and easy. So, with the in operator, you don't need to write a long list of all conditions. Next up, we have the between operator. The between operator allows us to select rows within a range of values. There is a table in our database called employees. If you download it, you will see it. Suppose we want to find employees whose salary is between 80,000 and 100,000. We can achieve this using the between operator. And also, the between operator is inclusive of the range specified, both lower and upper. The query will look like this. Select all from employees where salary between 80,000 and 100,000. So, this is the syntax of the between operator. You bring and between the ranges, and as I said, these ranges are inclusive. Now execute it, and it retrieves employees with these salaries. So if, for example, you have a database that has age as a column, you can query to select all the rows in the table where the age is between certain ranges. Now lastly, we have the like operator. The like operator is used to match specific string patterns. Let's say we want to get the customers from the customers table whose names start with M. We can achieve this using the like operator and the percent wildcard in our query. So let's change the table to customers. Then here in the where clause, we type out where customer name. This is where we use the like operator. So we type like, and right after that we have a string pattern. So we want to get customers whose names start with M, and we can have any number of characters after M. So we use percent sign to indicate any number of characters in the string. So put percent here to indicate any number of characters after M. And also, it doesn't matter if it's capital case or lowercase m. So let's execute this query. And here you go. We only have 4 customers whose names start with M. As another example, let's say you only want to get customers whose names start with AN. So we change our pattern to AN percent. Now let's execute the query. We get these 3 customers here, and you see their names start with AN. Now this percent sign doesn't have to be at the end of the pattern. It can be anywhere. Let's say we want to find all customers whose email address contain the word Gmail. You don't care whether it's .com or .org. So we'll have where email, like operator, then %Gmail %. This pattern means we can have any number of characters before or after Gmail. Let's execute the query. And that's it. These are the customers who have Gmail in their emails. And you can see we have .com and .org. So if you have Gmail in any string, it will be returned. Let's look at another example. I want to get all the customers whose email end with yahoo.org. So in the pattern, it will be %yahoo.org. Let's execute this query. And we have 4 customers whose emails end with yahoo.org. So this is how we use the % in finding patterns in strings. Now we also have another wildcard as underscore, and that matches a single character. So with the underscore wildcard, we can use it in a pattern to get customers whose postal code is exactly 4 characters long, and with the first 3 characters as 502. Any character or number can come after these 3 numbers, but in all it should be 4 characters long. So postal code in a string pattern, it will be 502 underscore. Now let's execute this query. And we get these customers. And you see their postal codes 502, 1, 3, and 2. So the underscore wildcard represents a single character, while the % character represents any number of characters. Finally, we can combine the 2 wildcards in the string pattern. Let's see. Let's get the postal codes whose second character is 2. So here it will be underscore 2 then %, close. This means any character can be at the beginning of the code, but the second character must be 2, then followed by any number of characters. Let's execute it. And that is it. The second character in the postal codes here is 2, followed by any number of characters. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to using string operators in, between, and like. With these operators at your disposal, you'll be able to write faster and more efficient queries in no time. I hope you found it informative and valuable. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.